Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel called with John C. So today we're going to continue with our project, our project of e-commerce in MERN Stack. So today we're gonna create our first collection because last time we connected our database to our Node.js product as well. But today we're going to create our first product collection, which is awesome. Let me show you how will it look like. So as you can see, we have our product collection here, and in our collection we have multiple objects. We have this one with this ID, then we have the second one, iPhone 12, and then on the third one, and so on. This is how we're going to create. We have a name, we have a description, we have image, we have category, we have price, we have location, we have a brand, and create ads, update ad, and --v. Okay, so we're going to create all this stuff. So please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more content, share my channel, because this channel is still new, and if you guys can help me to boost it as well, I will be grateful for that. And I will be doing more videos so that you can learn about MERN Stack, MongoDB, Node.js, and host it with Render. As you can see, this API has been already deployed with a Render, which is awesome. So, and that's good. Now, as you can see, we have name, description, and so on. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, first, remember last time I connected my database here. So I connected my database here, and it has been connected successfully, and everything's good. So let me try it again, and I can run npx. Okay, x start. Then let us see. Yeah, good. Our database has been connected. So they say the fail. Okay, so we have an error there. So I think there's some error. Let me fix it. I'll come back in a second. Okay, everyone, I have just fixed it up, and the problem was I didn't change my password. So what I did, I came here in my MongoDB, and then I changed my password. So I changed my password there. Like I came here, database access. I'm sorry, I came here. So let me show you what I did, but it's more useful as well. So I came here to change my password. First, I find here. So I came here, and then I connected. I came here, I connected here. So I copied this one. Make sure that this is Node.js. If you are using any other language, you may choose, but because we are using Node.js, and then copy this stuff, and then change your particular password here. And this is the username as well. The username, then the password, and the name of the database will be written right there. So that's what I did. And because I could not remember the database, so the name of I could not remember the name of my password. Sorry, that's why I came here and then generate a new password and then use it as well. It's very simple. And okay, now we ready to go. So we're going to design our collection. So we're going to use our collection. Remember, so if you were using what we call, let me create one file here, call it text. something like this. So if you are using what we call MySQL, first in MySQL we have what we call tables, and then in MongoDB we have what we call collection. Sorry, we have what we call collections, and the table and collection are same thing. And the contains, like the things we're going to store in our table or collection will be called in MongoDB documentation or document, sorry, we call document. And yeah, that's the only difference, but everything will be the same. So gonna create our first table, collect our first collection called product. That's what we're going to create. So we're going to create our product, and in our product we'll store a name, we'll store description, we'll store price, we'll store image will be URL, but we will do that later. And it will also store yeah, because let me take a look here. Here we have location, we have price. Yeah, I think I may use a location instead of instead of every stuff. So categories, okay, category. So let us use category and location. Category, category, category and location. Okay, these are the name inside the collection called the product we're gonna create as well. So to create the collection, we will do the following. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So today we're going to learn the new things. So let us create it. And we come here in our product, and then we create what we call models. And inside the model, the model will contain all our collections. It might be user, it might be product, and so on. And then create a new file, like, okay, create a new collection. Okay, first, there's a name convention you need to use. We have product dot model, or you can only use product. But I prefer use products in MySQL. Whenever I need to use MySQL, I can use products, something like that. But whenever I need to use MongoDB, I will use this one. So we're going to use this. It's awesome. Because we are using import, I'm gonna show you something new. So let us come here, create product.model, and then GS. There we go. Let us import Mongoose. Let us import Mongoose from Mongoose. And once you're there, first let us create our first collection. So the name, this is the variable. We're going to create a variable called product, because all we're going to create here will be a schema, product schema, something like this. And then we will do the following: new, okay, mongoose dot schema, okay, and then parentheses, and then bracket, and then inside there we're going to define our field. First, remember, we have the name, we have a description, we have a price, we have image, and then category, and then location. as well. So the first is name, okay, and the name, we will have the type of the name will be a string, okay, and it's string something like this. If yeah, I think it is string something like this, and I don't think it's like this. Okay, and required will be true. Okay, and the second one will be description. This is how you can create your first collection or tables. But in MongoDB, we're talking about collection, and we put the type there and string, and the required must be true. Okay, why I'm putting required must be true, because if the user didn't put any description, and this won't be stored in MongoDB, because MongoDB will ask will ask it as a required field and not optional field as well. And after that we have price. Okay, and the price will be the type string, and required must be true. Same thing, we have image. Image will be of type string, and required must be optional. So if the required is optional, okay, let me put required optional. So I'm doing all this stuff so that you can understand. Why will be false, because I can put this one, or I can insert the image or not, so it doesn't matter. Good, but this is not a good way of inserting images. If you need to handle like multiple images per product, you need to set it in an array. But I will show you later. You will need to do something like this. I will show you later. But for now, let us move on with this. And after this, okay, so we here, we have image, we have category, and then location as well. Sorry. So we have category to be same thing, to be same thing, required must be true. And the last one would be location. Location, okay. Location type is string, and required must be true. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, okay, now we need to do something, you know, because I'm here and I need to do something here. Come here. Remember, we have what we call create art and then update art. You know, these fields are generated automatically. But to do so, as you can see, there's a date of the date I created this project, this product, sorry, and then the date I updated as well. So we come here, we put again parentheses and get stamp. Time stamp will be true here. And with this line, it will allow us to have these two fields, create art and updated art. And it is awesome. Good. Now let us export this one. Be const, and then the name will be products, and then mongoose dot model. Okay, and then the name will be, which will be stored in our MongoDB, will be this product. Okay, don't be don't be surprised. As you can see, I have written here product capital p product, and then in MongoDB it will be something like product. And don't be surprised, that's how MongoDB converted. And I don't know how it's doing that, but it's like I think that's how we can handle every stuff. So don't be surprised. Just move on with this one product. I think I need to write it product, something like that. And now I need to call this variable here, to call it right here, product, product schema. And we're ready to go. That is it. Okay. And now our server is still working. And what we need to do is creating other folder called controllers. Okay, and inside the controller we'll create product controller.js, and inside the product controller.js we'll import the product and the product model we have just created, and it has been imported successfully. And let us add this extension. Remember, because we are using import method, and you need to add the ds at the end so that you might not have an issue. And let us see, yeah, everything is working perfect and we don't have any error. Now let me close it, close this, and yeah, let us move on now. Okay, well, but there's another thing I just want to add. So first let me show you how you can do stuff, and then after that we will handle the validation stuff. But the validation stuff will come later. We'll do a video on the validation, because if an admin forget to put a description, and you may save your product in your MongoDB without any description, or without any price, or without any images as well. But that's why we need to handle what we call validation stuff using Happy Joy. But I will do that in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel. But for now, we're just going to work on this, and we will handle it as well. And the admin will not forget any field to submit the product in the Mongo collection. Good. First, let us create our first variable functions called create product, and let us use async. Whenever you want to post in the database, don't forget to use async and wait. And in the parameter it will take rec and then res, these two parameters, and then bracket we have it as well. And the first thing is const, okay, bracket, and then inside the const, don't forget, when I put my cursor there, you can see the name of our product collection. We have a name, we have description, we have price, we have category, we have location, image, and we have any other here, and everything is there. Okay, yeah, image can be sent even if it is undefined or no. Yeah, and everything is good now. So let us move on. So we have name. Okay, we have a description in our collection. We have price in our collection. We have image in our collection. Also, we have category. We have category, and we have location. All the stuff are coming from request.body. Okay, there we go. Okay, one thing, I will show you one thing, because the image will be handled using Multer. But I don't even think it is a good idea to put an image here. So we need to create another variable called image URL. Image URL will come from rec the file, and then will come from a file, something like this. Rec the file, something like this. Yeah, and remove this. That's how we're going to handle it as well. Sorry, it is not from image, it is from path. Okay, something like this. I can add a path, okay, or it is none, something like this, and that is awesome. Okay, good. Now, what we need to do is to check if the product has been, if this field has been filled. So we have if is not name or description to check, and we have different of price to check, different of category, uh, different of location. Okay, we need to return. Always use return. We need to return here res dot status. Okay, status will be 401 dot Johnson. Okay, sorry, dot Johnson. Then we have first success. Success. Success will be false, and then the message will be um, all fields are required. All fields are required. Okay. Remember, this success is coming from here. Is there? No, this success. As you can see, because this one is true, because we are getting everything as well. And that's why I'm putting this success. And this status is showing us the status of the product. It might be like the product is empty. There's an error. There's other field which are not filled as well. And else we need to create new product. Product will be like a new, okay. Then call this product schema, okay. Once you call there, and then it might be in array, okay. Then come here. No, it might be an object. Come here, put the name. Let me do this. We have a name. We have description. We have we have image. No, we have price first, then image, and then image will be this image URL. Remember, it will be this image URL. That's why I'm putting the colon and then image URL. Then after that, we have category, and then we have location as well. And once we send this stuff, we will now save it in our database. So it will be something like wait. I will do like await. Okay, await new product. Await new product dot save. Okay, we save it in MongoDB, and then we return now. We return a response like status will be 200, which will be okay, and 200 means okay, there's no issue, and then success will be true. Remember, there we put success first, but here we need to put success true. But instead of okay, I can put a message here called product has been created, something like this, and then pass new product here. There we go. And that's how we can do now. But I need now to export it. Come here, write export, and then create product. I have exported it. Okay, and save. Come in our router in product. Remember, we create our router last time. And then import now, create a product. There it is. Then don't forget the GS there, and then save it. There's not an error, everything's working, and we have this router called the post. Then inside there we have create. Okay, and then I gotta remove this stuff request. I don't even need it anymore. I don't need it anymore. I don't need this stuff anymore. We are getting product, and then we are creating product. First, let us create. To create, I will just add my function there, and there we go. Let me save it. And okay, there's an error, so let us find where is the error is coming from. Argument, so argument new type error handle is required. Okay, there's an error somewhere, and model lib route, and is it coming from index.js product route? So handle argument is okay. Yeah, there's a column there. That's why we are getting an error. Okay, there's another one. Wait, let us check. Okay, computed handle is type required. I think it is in our model. So let me come back later. Okay, everyone, I've just seen the error. The error is because we need another argument here, and the program is looking for the second argument, and it doesn't say the second argument. That's why we are running an error. Let me put this so that we can move on, but I will change it later. And as you can see, the program is running as expected. Good. Remember, we create text.http to check or to create everything. So we have create the product here, and then I will just come here and then take this field, then come with them right there, and then put here, and then change them to JSON file. So let me do this. Okay, let me do something like this. Sorry. So I will come by later. Okay, everyone, let us move on. So come here. The name might be something like iPhone 12. Okay, and come on. Then the description will be like, I like, oh sorry, I like iPhone 12. And come with this here. Okay, this is a price. The price will be something like so the price, let me write something like this. Okay, let me write something like okay, 2229, and I will change it later, but the price might be number or something like that. Okay, I think I need to change there and then put number instead of instead of string, let me put number there. I think it is not working at all, but okay, let us move on with string. Doesn't matter. Okay, so let me put like that, and the image might be an URL, but and the category might be uh, electronic, electronic, and location might be Utah, something like this. So let us come here and then okay, let me copy this image. Oh, I don't know whether it is fake or it is a real. Then put it here. Next time I will go and learn how to handle the error, how to handle the image, and how to send them in our MongoDB program using a molder. And let me send it. Okay, there's an error. We need to separate it. Let us see. Okay, we have an error. Okay, and the error, the program is telling us like not found. Okay, not found. Okay, there's an error. We cannot find this router. We cannot find this router. Let me fix it and then I will come back later. Okay, everyone. So I've just found an error, and the problem is in my router I didn't add a product, but when I was when I was sending data to our database, I put an S at the end. That's why they say router not found as well. So I've just removed an S at the end. Now let us try again. Send it, and now we got an error. Rec as it is undefined and create a product layer, something like that. Okay, yeah, I think here the problem is because we are trying to send an image, but here we need to define whether the image has been uploaded or it is empty, right? So I need to put something like this and then save it and see what will happen. Yeah, and then come here, send again. Okay, cannot describe properly or name, reg the body, it is undefined. Okay, so let me first check in my product. So we have a name, we have required price and URL required false. Good. Let me check again. I will be back in the second. Okay, everyone. So I've just found the problem. So the problem is we're trying to send data in our database, but whenever we're trying to send data in our database, let us make sure that we are using okay, let me do this. Let me remove this and come here. Let us make sure we are using express.json here, like the middleware. So that's why we need to come here. Our middleware will be like express.json. Okay, whenever you need to send the data, whenever you need to send data in any database, make sure, because it is our API, and then make sure that you are using express.json as well. And then I think now it will work as expected. Then come here and then send. There we go. We have created our product. We have price here. I have changed it our price model. I have changed it. I have put number there, and which is awesome. And that's why, as you can see, you have created your first product using MongoDB. We have success true, we have message product has been created, and then we have a new product there, and we have a name iPhone 12, we have description, we have a price, we have image which is null, and then we have also the location which is Utah, and then we have ID. Here is the ID, and then we have created art and then updated art. Okay, so that's awesome. And I need to create another function to retrieve all data inside our database. So I will come here, create get all product, something like that, async. I'll do it so quick because it is very simple. And I forget to use something because I need to use a try catch here. I need to use try catch here, but yeah, I will add it later. But first, let me use try catch here. So I will do something like cons product, okay, equal await product, okay, product that find. It will find every product inside our collection. It will be like an update. So let me add a condition. If not product, I should return a res the status, which will be 404, means product not found. Success will be false. Message product not found. Okay, and else I should return a status with 200 Johnson. Success should be true, and then instead of I should like put some product there, product, there we go. Else I should res, okay, the status should be 500 Johnson, like success message false, and the message should be internal error. And there we go. And it is very simple. So the only function we are using is find. Okay, and then the find will help us to retrieve every data inside our product as well. And then let us export it here, uh, like get all product as well. And there we go. So I need to use also try catch here, because it is awesome to use try catch, because if there's an error, you may see there's an error. And then in our try catch, I will just take the same thing here. The same thing here. Oh no, wait. I take the same thing here. Sorry. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Now, yeah, we need to use get all product. Come here, import it, get all product. Okay, and use it, get all product as well. So let me make sure that I have imported get all product. Okay, there we go. And now let us test it. Get all product. We have a product, we have the slash, and then get all product. Send. There we go. We have the product, and I need to create another one. iPhone 14, and then send it. Okay, let me create another product, and let me create it. Send again. I'll create iPhone 14 and then iPhone 16 as well. Let me create it, and I want to change the price. And let me send. Yeah, I've created, as you can see. And now let me get all the product there. There we go. We have all the product here in our collection as well. Now let us take a look in our MongoDB. And in our MongoDB, we have our collection there. So let me click on triggers. Okay. It's great. Click there. That was search, and I should click on collection. Collection, and there we go. As you can see, we have our collection product. Remember, as I told you, MongoDB will take something like a product and with a lowercase. And as you can see, you are able to see every product and create it at and update it at as you can see, and everything is perfect as well. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I will deploy this product as well, and I will push this code in our GitHub and share with you in the comment section so that you can practice and create your own collections as well. So thank you for watching. See you in the next session. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, and share with your friends. Bye.